Hey there, I'm here with the fifth part, the final part of the project. As I mentioned at the beginning of the project that how much amount of works were being executed in the field, you can mark this progress in your 3D Revit model. So how can I do these such things? In this video, I will try to show this. How you can mark down the progress of work. Right, here's the 3D model, as you can see. Okay, to mark down the progress of work, I need to make some parameters. Let me go to the manage ribbon. I need to make a shared parameter. Alright, shared parameter, as you all know, it's a different type of parameter. Such kind of parameters might be used in several projects. They are certainly not specified for any certain project. So in order to make shared parameter, you need to make a text file, and inside that text file the shared parameter will be preserved. Alright, I have already made a text file which I named as the progress report txt, as you can see, and I saved it anyway. And now the group, reporting. So inside that reporting group, let me make that parameter, and I want to name it as a progress parameter. It will under common discipline, and the data type will be text. Okay, so the data type has been selected, and now okay, so the parameter, the shared parameter has been created. Now let me go to the project parameters option and new shared. Here's the progress. Alright, that parameter has already been created, but here inside that project I supposed to define the category, right? Which category it will belong. Of course, inside the structural category you can see several type of options, and from here the structural members I used in my project, as you all know, there was floors, there was columns. Right, columns. These columns, they're representing the architectural column, and you know architectural columns, they deal with the aesthetic. They don't bear the load of the structure. So I don't have any interest to any architectural members, to any particular architectural member in this project. I'm dealing with the structural members only. So the floor, it's supposed to be a structural member. Then what else? Stairs, they also bear load. And okay, we have area reinforcement inside the slabs. As you know, we have a structural beam system, we have structural columns, we have structural foundations, structural framing. Structural framing means structural beams, they work like a framing system. Okay, what else? Structural rebars. Then of course the walls. That walls, it denotes structural and architectural, both type of wall. Structural walls, these type of walls, they can bear load, but the architectural walls, as you all know, they mainly deal with the aesthetic. Anyway, Okay, then what else? Hmm. Yeah, instance, no worries. And what's wrong? Why it's not appearing? All right, here's the shared parameter. Uh, as you can see, progress 1. The previous shared parameter, it was there was some uh, issues when I created that parameter. That's why it was not getting visible. That's why I made some modification and created that parameter again. Okay, and that portion. At first, there are a concrete layer of 100 millimeter. This was the first activity. They're in the floor category. Okay, now say they are 100% done. So where's the percentage sign? So 100%. And now I want to add a filter for this 100% work. Hope you all are familiar with this filterization things. Okay, this will be filter number 41. Filter number 41, 100% progress. 100% more progress. 100% done. Okay. And the category floors. There will be floors. There will be, I mean, all the structural members. I supposed to check them all. Floors, stairs, structural area reinforcement, structural beam systems, structural columns, structural foundations, framing, and walls. Now there's the progress one, goes to 100%. Okay, that filter must be added to the visibility graphic, and let me put it down at the bottom. As you all know, it's filter number 41. It's gonna belong at the bottom, and the pattern solid fill, and I want to denote them as yellow color. This color is very eye-catchy. Filter floors. Filters to the bottom. Wireframe, okay. These colors, they will get visible in the wireframe mode WF. That's why I turned on the wireframe mode. Next, the footings. Okay, go to the filter option, structural foundations, and what else? Structural foundations. They're in progress. In progress. I am willing to make another filter for this in progress works. And it will be filter number 42. Then name it as in progress. Floors. And stairs. Structural reinforcement, structural beam system, structural columns, structural foundations, framing, structural rebars, and then structural walls. All these structural members, structural elements must be addressed inside the filter list. So they're in progress. Apply, okay. So it's filter number 42. Where is it? I get to put it down at the bottom. Okay, and I want to give it a different color, and the color of that category will be green. That green and the light green. Okay, here it is. The green colored stuffs, they are in progress. suppose that footing I just selected, suppose it's getting delayed. I mean, the construction of this footing has some sort of complication. I mean, the excavation of that particular places were not done. That's why, or there might have some other reason because of what it will get delayed. That's why let me denote it as delayed. Okay, now I'm supposed to add another filter to denote these delayed elements, not delete, delayed. Okay, delayed, and it will be filter number 42. Now I'm supposed to choose the structural elements. There will be floors, then what? Stairs, structural area reinforcement, beam system, structural columns, structural connections. No, it's not necessary. Structural foundations, framing, rebars, structural walls. These elements will belong inside that filter list. Now I get to choose progress 1 equals delayed. Okay, that parameter inside the visibility filter and put it down at the bottom. And that delayed element, I want to denote them as red color. Red denotes danger, right? So let's see. Yeah, so here that particular footing, it will get delayed, and suppose that one has the same problem, so you can as delayed. Yeah, so the red ones will be delayed. And let me make a duplicate copy regarding all that details, and I want to name it as rebar. Okay, first week progress. I mean, how much amount of work were being progressed at the first week. Okay, to make that model more understandable, I think I need to turn off all these unnecessary stuffs except those foundations and the floors beneath this foundation, and also the filters that three filters which imply the status of work. Okay. So you can save orientation as lock view. I'm locking that view. It's been locked. Now I supposed to make a sheet. And I want to name it as first week work progress. First week work progress. Okay, now in that sheet I supposed to add that view which I locked, and yeah, first week progress. Oh my god, it's really big. What the hell? That is scale. Begging your pardon, I didn't scale. Put the scale properly. That's why I'm facing the trouble. And 300, how would it be? Yeah, 300 wouldn't bad. So that's how you of course you will make some more modification to in order to make it more view friendly and more appealing, right? But I just tried to show you that general process. How can you mark down the progress of work in your 3D model? I made three filters in my visibility graphic. Filter for 100% done, filter for in progress, and filter for delayed. Which members will be delayed? They will be denoted as red color. Which members are in progress? They will get denoted as green color. And the members, who has the members who have been already done, the execution have been done, they will be marked as yellow, right? That's easy. It is. So that's how you can make the report of the progress of work. And this is the end of this fifth part, and this is the end of the project. If you watched it completely, then I want to gratify you. Thank you. Keep supporting me. In real soon, I'm going to model the HVAC system of an entire building, and that project will be uploaded. Real soon, I will try my best to upload it as fast as I can. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.